So, shower curtain's drooping a little bit. The client doesn't want to replace it, so I'm going to run some self-tappers in the top of it because the set screws no longer work. They are an inefficient design for a shower rod to begin with. So it's a quick fix, but it'll make it look good again. Just get it up where it looks level. That's pretty good. Oh. Well, maybe I should try a different screw. That one's not very self-tapping. Sometimes they're just not cut right. Let's try this. Ooh, I watched that thing get fire hot. I don't know why it's not going through. I shouldn't have to